Live.
Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to the 19th episode of Psy Talks for Psychologists. I am Mamta Sharma, Director, HR Support Foundation, and your host for today's episode. So, today's episode is about family constellation therapy, and to help us understand the subject and answer our questions, we have with us Ms. Basha. But before I go any further, I would like everyone who is watching us to drop a hello in the comments so that we know that you are with us. Feel free to ask any questions in the comment section and we'll try to answer them as we go along. You may also start a watch party on this episode so that your friends in the mental health community may also benefit from this discussion. A word about iCharts. iCharts is an organization dedicated to the behavioral, emotional, and mental growth of individuals, couples, teens, families, corporates for the advancement of their personal growth through education, intervention, and guidance. And iCharts Support Foundation is our non-profit arm, which focuses on promoting the mental health case that is bringing about change through awareness, support, and education. Welcome, Misbah, to this episode of Sci Talks.
Thank you, Mamta. It
And
is
this is a
completely a different. I'm going to come to it. Go ahead.
okay. So I was about to say that this is a unique episode because today Misbah is our guest instead of being the host. She has been hosting the entire series. She is the director for iChars and iChars Support Foundation. Misbah is also a cognitive hypnotic coach and therapist and family constellation facilitator. She's a dedicated and passionate trainer and facilitator with extensive experience in the domain of human resource training and development and performance enhancement. She works with individuals, corporates, schools, and colleges using different modalities like NLP, life coaching, cognitive hypnotic therapy, and family constellation. So, over to you, Ms. Ba. We would like you to say a few words about yourself first, and then, of course, about family constellation therapy.
Yeah, I will. So first of all, I'll acknowledge it's a completely different feeling to be on the other side.
Mm-hmm.
When you are on the other side of the guest side, when you're going to talk about the subject. And thank you for having me. And you have already almost covered everything that I have done. So I have earlier, just to give a brief, I have been into corporate life for as an HR earlier, and then I've shifted
Mm-hmm.
to my gears to therapy and coaching and training. Last in
Mm-hmm.
last 5+ years. And
Mm-hmm.
yes, here I am. I trained with iChas. I am also a director with iChas, and I conduct workshops and conduct coaching and therapy sessions one on one. And yeah, that's me. And yeah, I love to talk also.
Perfect. Perfect. So, beginning with the most important question, we would love to know what family constellations are all about and what is family constellation therapy.
Absolutely. So this therapeutic modality has come to me as in a time when I was personally going through certain things in my life where I was looking for clarity, I was looking for insight, and this just came by. Obviously, I was aware about it, but then I took a keen interest into it to explore it for my personal, growth. So
Mm-hmm.
thera- uh, family constellation or systemic constellation is what we call it. I'll give you a brief
Mm-hmm.
about it as in the terms of history. So this
Mm-hmm.
modality or this therapy is being pioneered by a psychotherapist, German psychotherapist named Bert Hellinger. He's just
Mm-hmm.
last year expired,
Okay.
and he was working. So to know the history, he was working for almost 20+ years with this South African Zulu community, wherein
Okay.
he developed this concept and work of family constellation. So family constellation, what you can say, Mamta, it is about transgenerational,
Mm-hmm.
phenomenological, and a therapeutic intervention with roots in family therapy, family systems therapy.
Okay.
Therapy basically focuses on completion. So a family system or a
Mm-hmm.
family constellation or a systemic constellation would be. See, I'll give you a general example that we all are part of a system. For example,
Mm-hmm.
my current family would be my my husband, and if I have my
Mm-hmm.
children and my
Mm-hmm.
in-laws, My
Hmm.
family of origin would be my parents and my grandparents. All that is what it is. So
Mm-hmm.
we are a part of the systems. So
Hmm.
system maybe a family system, maybe a school system, maybe an organization system, maybe a country. So
Mm-hmm.
it has a very larger perspective of system, and we are
Right.
a part of either of the system.
Mm-hmm.
And when there is
Okay.
a when there's a imbalance, I would say, in these
Hmm.
systems or in these
Mm-hmm.
um, families, for that matter, then
Hmm.
there is certain issues or patterns that come up and which bother you with your personal or personal goals or professional goals in wholesome in your life, wherein there are repetitive patterns which come up, and
Mm-hmm.
you it can cause you a lot of emotional mental pain. So that's where we
Okay.
can use family constellation or family or systemic constellation.
Okay. Perfect. That was quite explanatory. So I hope everyone who's watching is able to understand. If you are not, please keep asking us questions so that we
Yes,
can ask Misbah to answer them. Yeah.
absolutely.
Right. So, Misbah, are there any key principles on which the therapy is based? And another question, how is this different from other therapeutic modalities?
I'll come to each of them one by one with a little amount of time. So before I go ahead with okay, so I'll come to the difference between family constellation and systemic constellation a little later on. First, I'll go
Mm-hmm.
with the principles. So now you can say there are three principles, or we actually call it as a orders of love
Okay.
in a family constellation. So the
Mm-hmm.
first order is a need of belonging. Now, what
Okay.
does need of belonging basically mean is that as a part of a system, we want to be a part of a system, or we are already part, and we want to be acknowledged, or we should be acknowledged.
Mm-hmm.
So what happens? Because if you're not acknowledged, then there are chances that the imbalances happen and somebody else would take over, kind of
Mm-hmm.
certain take over our role in the system or in that family,
Mm-hmm.
and they will stop
Mm-hmm.
living their life. And that's where another
Mm-hmm.
conflict will happen in the person's life. Kya ki I am not the consciously I am trying to live my life the way I want to, but unconsciously there are so many things which are pulling me towards doing or being in some another way. Yeah. So
Mm-hmm.
that is also called as an entanglement, which we actually work on the
Mm-hmm.
entanglement when we set up a
Mm-hmm.
constellation, and
Mm-hmm.
we heal it through acknowledgement, through certain sentences that we use while we are doing a constellation or setting up a constellation. So one is about as I said, that the need of belonging. Another one is order, social order,
Mm-hmm.
or a
Okay.
chronological order, you can say. I will put a light on it, as in what does that mean. Order in the sense, let's take say we are three siblings, okay.
Hmm.
So there's my brother, elder brother, it's me in the second child, and then there's my younger brother. So there's
Mm-hmm.
an order which needs to be always taken care of in any scenario. Say for example, it's between the siblings. तो मतलब जो
Mm-hmm.
पहला बच्चा होता है वो पहला, उसको उसी के हिसाब से आप देखोगे। जो सेंटर वाला
Okay.
होता है उसको उसी के हिसाब से आप देखोगे। जो छोटा होता है
Okay.
उसको उसी के हिसाब से आप देखोगे। It can't be
Okay.
that you start treating the second child as the important child or the main child or the first child. In fact,
Okay.
um, what happens at times is that we tend to forget, so because a family constellation looks at the non-functional loyalties that we have with our families, that causes us pain. And
Okay.
uh, coming back to the main this topic again, that when we do not acknowledge the order, so that
Hmm.
we also have to count people, like somebody who's not present in the family, like for somebody who's left, somebody who's dead, somebody who's excluded, somebody who's ill. All of them
Mm-hmm.
need to
Okay.
be acknowledged in a system. For example, if some lady has had a stillborn
Okay.
child before the first the child who's lived, तो दैट ऑल्सो चाइल्ड नीड्स टू बी एक्नॉलेज्ड
Hmm.
इन द सिस्टम. एट टाइम्स क्या होता है कि बहुत
Okay.
बारी इनफैक्ट के पहले, अभी तो पता नहीं है मुझे इतना, कि बट पहले के टाइम में ऐसा होता था कि अगर कोई भी लेडी को, या इफ दे हैड अ स्टिल बॉर्न चाइल्ड और दे हैड मिसकैरेजेस और they had an abortions, people would not talk about it. That was not something that it was considered maybe to be shameful, or they didn't want people to know about it. So basically, you are not
Mm-hmm.
acknowledging the life that was there, and it was also a part of
Right.
the system. They might not have lived the life full, but they did come up as a life. So we,
Okay.
while setting up a constellation, we do check, case system mein who's been excluded as a family member, or who's died, or who is ill, or who's left behind. So all these things we do keep in mind while we work. So important that, so as I told you, one was belonging, need for belonging. See, as a human being, all of us want that belonging, whether we are working in an organization, or we're getting married to an in-laws family, or we are going to a new environment where we are going to be part of it, or for that
Right.
matter, in your own parents' house, or in your own house, where you want, there's a need of belonging, the need of acceptance, a need of acknowledgement.
Mm-hmm.
That is what
Mm-hmm.
it takes care of. So, need of belonging, social order, where, or you can say a chronological order. I'll also
Mm-hmm.
give an example with respect to chronological order. एक बार कभी कई बार ऐसा होता है कि पेरेंट्स होते हैं और बच्चे होते हैं, चिल्ड्रन होते हैं, से फॉर एग्जांपल दे हैव अ गर्ल एंड अ बॉय, एंड पेरेंट्स वुड से
Hmm.
my children are before us, your my father, or the father might say, or the mother might say that मेरे बच्चे पहले सबके, before anybody else. Now, you are actually bypassing those who are there in the hierarchy, or those who are there in the chronological order. So
Oh.
in a relationship, the parents are the elder ones. So, as they will first come as a partner. So they are
Hmm.
first in the hierarchy as partners,
Hmm.
as couples, as a husband and wife, and then comes the children, and those children will also come in the chronological order. अगर एक ही है
Okay.
तो that's okay, fine. But if they are
Hmm.
multiple, then they come in their hierarchy, like that they are. So at times we kind of completely pass by that concept. Ke, nahi, we try to give, we don't follow the order, the natural order of that we have, flown through these years. Also, I'll come to the third one before I go to the ancestral or the great grandfather part of it. Need of equilibrium is the third one, as a principle. That what that means is when there is a disruption within these orders, there is always a need of being in balance. So if I receive little, I give little. I receive more, I give more. So there is always a give and take happening. ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए कि just one is giving, 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 and another is just at the point of receiving only. And when that
Okay.
disbalance happens, that creates lot of conflicts and issues in the person's life. So yeah,
Okay.
these are the principles that we keep in mind while we are setting up a constellation. So when I come to the process part of it, maybe I will put more light on it, right?
Right. Right. So, Misbah, you're saying that a disruption in any of these orders or principles can lead to problems later in an individual's life, right?
Yeah, yeah. In fact, here only I will add it that it's not that the disruption in the current scenario of the person's life or the family members, it can go up to grandparents, to greater grandparents, to entire lineage, where there would have
Hmm.
been certain exclusions, or certain left people left out, or certain people died or not acknowledged, or if that is not
Okay.
solved at an earlier level, it
Hmm.
does pass through the entire generation to the, the to the last generation, for example. And it may
Okay.
come into their life, wherein they might have to identify it and figure it out, because it might be coming in a very unconscious level, which at times they might not be aware of.
Okay. Okay. And it may even lead to issues in other aspects of my life. Is that possible? So
When you say,
maybe it's reflecting somewhere in my work. Is that also possible?
absolutely,
Or will
it
they
can.
only be limited to issues in the family?
No, it would. So it's a very well asked question, Mamta. So I'll come to the point that there is a concept of family constellation, where we work
Hmm.
with clients' issues related to family. Say,
Hmm.
for example, a family of origin. When I said either the
Hmm.
client has an issue with family of origin, I'll give you an example that my client comes up that I have this, a very troubled relationship with my mother. A daughter comes and says, so that would be a family of origin when we are working with.
Hmm.
I'll throw more light on it later on
Hmm.
when we discuss it as a case. Then there would be family, current family is, for example, if I'm married and I have my husband and if I have my children, that and if I say that I have certain, ongoing issues with my husband, then becomes a family of a current family. Also, it's more than family when it comes to system. Like, for example, constellations can also be set up for organizations. They
Okay.
take they also do it outside India. It's quite practiced. I'm not sure in India how much it has become aware. People are aware about it, but they do at a managerial or on a top management level set up constellation to understand certain patterns or certain loopholes or certain gaps which are undefinable at times at a cognitive level.
Hmm. Okay.
So, and that's one thing. Also, I would say that, for example, as an individual, I have always felt, I have had a low self-esteem. So I can
Hmm.
set up a constellation if that has been bothering, that low self-esteem, if I feel is bothering me through my personal and professional life, I can set up a constellation
Hmm.
for that. And that becomes a systemic constellation because that's a element, that's an abstract element that
Okay.
we're taking, and there is a client.
Okay. Oh, that's interesting. Right. Perfect. Perfect. Uh, so, Ms. Bob, are there any primary requirements? And yeah, if yes, then what are these requirements? If somebody wants to undergo family constellation therapy, or they're looking for solutions and they would like to explore them through
Family constellation. Right. Okay.
yeah.
So, requirement, Mamta, would be that it's just that the work happens obviously like any other therapies, or like we do it with cognitive hypnotic therapy. Consent of the
Mm-hmm.
client, that's
Hmm.
important. um,
Hmm.
Client needs to understand whether it's a pressing issue for them. So we from the from the surface issue or for the presenting issue, we so obviously before we set up a constellation, we have a proper interview like we have it in any other modalities, like we have it in our
Okay.
CHCP therapy. And in family
Hmm.
constellation specifically, we what we take from the clients are the facts, only facts. So you don't
Okay.
go about in any kind of story. So for example, I would ask for any major events that has have happened in their lives, something which is tangibly tangible, which is measurable, or those kind of facts are that has to be collected. And on those
Mm-hmm.
basis of those facts and other patterns or other knowing how the relationship might have been with the parents or with the grandparents, or the children with the parents, or parents with their parents, understanding those dynamics, and collecting those facts. Like for example, if somebody is coming with children issues, so I'll ask for if the client has had any kind of abortions or any miscarriages or stillborns.
Mm-hmm.
Understand, because those are the facts, that is something that has happened. We know that for sure, and the client is acknowledging, aware about it. So the interview goes in a very specific manner, collecting the facts. And so we don't press the client. अगर कोई client को बहुत अच्छे से नहीं पता हो, so we don't press it too much on the नहीं नहीं मुझे ऐसे ही एक sentence में चाहिए. They can, but if it's bothering them and they come to their secondary emotions. When I say secondary emotions, when
Hmm.
they are actually in that scene at that point of time, when they are feeling in it in their system, there is an emotional energy, body
Hmm.
energy that gets generated while they talk about their problem or the situation that is not favorable that they are in. That's where it's also the work of the
Hmm.
constellator to be very observant, very much be in the present, and note all those nitty-gritties and any kind of changes that the person, on an observational changes that the person goes through, and then they can check with the client and verify it if that's something they have clearly got it as a facilitator. So that's the interview part of it. uh, the
Okay.
next question, so they can come, they don't need to have anything else except for their consent, and obviously time is what they and an open mind to explore, because understand that family constellation brings out the hidden dynamics that play in the families, which we have
Mm-hmm.
never acknowledged, or at times we are not aware about it also. It happens, there are
Mm-hmm.
things that happen at a very unconscious level. So that's
Right.
what it brings out. A client would, at the end of a constellation setup, would get clarity, get insight on their issue. It's like a aerial view. You're watching
Right.
your entire family dynamics being played in front of you, or below you. Because
Okay.
as a client, you'll be sitting outside and the constellation is set up in front of you.
Okay.
So yeah.
Okay. So, Misbah, that brings me to the question: is the presence of family members required? Do all the members need to be present?
Not necessary, Mamta. Only say, for example, if I have gone for a constellation, and if I feel, obviously there might be certain issues with other members in my family, but it's okay. But if I've gone with certain thing that has bothered me. So yeah,
Mm-hmm.
or one person can go, or members can also, other members can also be there. Not a problem. And I have seen at times couples coming. I have been in constellation where I have been a couple, and been inside the constellation, or attended the constellation. So that's not a
Okay.
problem.
So, if I have an issue, I alone can go through
Yeah,
the therapy.
yeah, yes. You
Okay.
can alone
Okay.
go through the therapy. Absolutely,
Okay. All right. All right. Ms. Ba, we have a few questions here, if you can answer them. Abha is
absolutely.
asking, Abha is asking, in case of maladjustment, families and conjugal relationship imbalance, generally mother trusts more upon son or the elder child in different issue. How can family constellation be, used effectively here?
See, Abba, in this situation, when it comes to the first child, um, or the son, for example, what I understand is, I would first like to understand if there is a this is a since this is a hypothetical situation, and
Hmm.
as a mother or as a wife first, I would first, as I'll go to my partner.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, because if I take in my mind about the orders, the principles, about the chronology, the social order. So
Right.
I first talk to my husband if my husband is there, and
Hmm.
that's where I have to talk. In case it's not there, क्या हो जाता है कि जैसे वो उन्होंने जो सिचुएशन बताई है कि the son starts taking, in case if the father is not there and the mother is
Hmm.
relying on the first child or the son,
Hmm.
then the son starts taking over as a starts gets into this into the shoes of the father. Now
Right.
understand that is happening at a very unconscious level,
Hmm.
and you as a mother are also, I mean, I won't say you are to be no, sorry, the person is to be blamed, the mother is to be blamed
Hmm.
for it, because mother is also kind of looking for a support, and
Hmm.
somebody to talk to. But we have to understand that the father's place is father's place, and the son is will always remain the son, so he can support the mother being the son, as being the son, and not getting into the this thing of a father's shoes
Right.
basically, because
Right.
वहां पे जाके ही वो entanglement हो जाती है, the child starts behaving like a parent and the parent starts behaving like a child.
Okay. Got it.
I
Yes.
hope that
Yes.
makes it a little
Yes.
clearer for you, Abha.
Yes. 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 And I'm sure, Misbah, when you'll explain how a constellation is set up and done, I'm sure
I
the
will,
rest of the
I
answer
will,
can come
I
from
shall.
there. I'm just sharing the questions so that we can take them up as and when they fit
Yes, yes,
into
yes. I
our
am.
flow.
I'm.
Okay. Asking for a case study. Malika, I'm sure we'll come to that. Geeta is asking if one of the family members have a psychological disorder that could be affecting the whole family simultaneously, can family constellation help and how?
Yes. So my first answer is, can family constellation help? Yes. So before I go ahead answering the other questions, I would like to bring to awareness that when there is disturbance of any kind in these orders of love that I talked about, the three things,
Hmm.
um, there is symptomatic systemic symptoms that come up, which would be, I would say, ongoing
Hmm.
relationship issues,
Hmm.
health issues or health interventions would be required, or mental health issues would come up in the family members,
Hmm.
persistent feeling of, of failure in case of finances. So these are the area, like these are the basic areas of our life, right? So
Hmm.
it can percolate in this manner into our lives. So
Okay.
a mental health issue is something that can also be explored when it is there in one member of the family, and how it's where it is rooting from. Because as I
Okay.
told you earlier, it could be something that is happening at a very unconscious level, through the parents, through the grandparents, or through the lineage, where it's been
Hmm.
unresolved and it's just passing on.
Okay. All right. Got that. I hope everyone got their answer. If you haven't, please let us know. If you have, please say yes
Yeah, if you
so that
have
we know
any
you have.
kind of, I feel that it is a very new term. I don't know how many of you know about family constellation, but I'm assuming that most of you would be new to it. If you ask any kind of question, I'm just going to say silly also. Koi baat nahi hai. I love it's a very close therapy to me. So I'm open to answering those questions.
Perfect. Perfect. And when one person asks, we all learn. So all questions are welcome.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah, I would. I
Uh,
would.
yes. So, Misbah, coming to what is the overall process for the family constellation therapy?
Yes.
Is it structured, unstructured? What is like a session flow and so on?
Yeah, I'll go with it. I'll go right from the very beginning. So, as we earlier discussed, we have a client coming in any manner. The client comes in, and would I would have a interview with the client. I would collect all kind of. So, I do have a questionnaire that I would like to get all the history details of the client, as from the mother's side of the clients as well as the father's
Hmm.
side of the clients. I might ask about grandparents and greater grandparents, and any major events that would have come in their life or in their parents life or in their family for that matter. All those questions are there, which I do ask. I do note down. There's a questionnaire there,
Hmm.
and I do collect other facts. Also, I wait for the client to come from their primary emotion, like is
Hmm.
presenting problem to the secondary emotion, wherein they actually are feeling that issue, and that's where I feel that I have to hit a point wherein I know that
Hmm.
this is a point where I will now set up a constellation. Now, in constellation, it's not necessary कि हम एक दो घंटे बैठ के before in an interview एक दो घंटे बैठ के हम interview ही कर रहे हैं constellation setup करने के लिए. I can collect the minimalistic information also, and I can set up a constellation, uh, and that comes out really, really, it's a phenomenological process. If some people understand that, it's a informing field. It's a matrix is what something I call. So yeah, I'll tell you. So for example, I'll give you an example only. I had a client, and um, we had set up so she had an issue with her ongoing issue with her mother since
Hmm.
the early years, and
Hmm.
so she came, she started with
Hmm.
it, she gave me all
Hmm.
the facts that I wanted from her, and then I
Hmm.
asked her, uh, so I do give them at times that, so there are representatives in the constellation. Now before
Hmm.
I go ahead to the case study, I will give you a technical process of it basically. सो
Hmm.
क्लाइंट विल कम, क्लाइंट का इंटरव्यू होगा, उसके बाद उसके उसमें फैक्ट्स कलेक्ट होंगे, उसके बाद I will tell the client that we'll set up a constellation. Setup में क्या होता है कि एक बड़ा सा space होता है या good amount of space is there. Now constellations can be set up in a group scenario, or it can be
Hmm.
one-on-one also. So right
Mm-hmm.
now I'm going to talk about group scenario, wherein there would be 8 to 10 people sitting. The
Hmm.
I will ask, like the example that I gave about the mother and the daughter and the mothers. I will ask the client to pick up 2 people, without any thinking or logicalizing, or just intuitively just pick up 2 people, one who would represent my client and one who would represent my client's mother. So
Okay.
once the client picks up those 2 people, as in goes in the group and asks, that would you represent me in my constellation, or would you represent my mother in the constellation? If the other person says
Hmm.
yes, so
Mm-hmm.
those 2 people who have been picked up are put into this center space that has been created, which we also call as an informing field. We called it as a matrix. We call it's a phenomenological process. A grid is what we called it, and the client will set these people or put these people in this center space or the informing field, from
Okay.
where they are actually getting connected to at an
Hmm.
energy level and at an unconscious level with the people
Hmm.
whom they are representing. So my client as well as my client's mother. So they
Mm-hmm.
necessarily doesn't have to be there in the client's mother doesn't have to be in the therapy for that matter, which
Okay.
otherwise would be the scene with family therapy, wherein you
Okay.
have the entire family to be taken into consideration while working with the client's
Okay.
problem.
Okay. Okay.
So
So, Misbah,
once
who
they
will these people be? I'm sorry for interrupting you. Who
No
are these
problem.
group of?
Great. So these people could be anybody, Mamta. So it's not necessary कि so मुझे ना किसी ने बीच में पूछा था on very specifically मुझे पूछा था कि only energy sensitive people can be representing in a constellation. I said no way. There is
Hmm.
nothing of that sort. Any lay person, any person who's open to explore, become a representative.
Okay.
And obviously, I'm going to guide you I'm going to facilitate the process, can become
Mm-hmm.
a representative. कई बारी क्या होता है ममता? So, जब हम क्लाइंट का कंसल्टेशन करते हैं तो क्लाइंट को तो इंसाइट्स और क्लैरिटीज और रिजोल्यूशंस मिलते हैं, बट जो वहां पे
Hmm.
शायद बैठे भी होते हैं एज एन ऑब्जर्वर, बिकॉज इट्स अ ग्रुप
Hmm.
वर्क, तो उनको भी बहुत सारा रेजोनेंस मिलता है वो कॉन्स्टलेशन से.
Okay.
The elements may also get a resonance with it, and things may change
Okay.
in their life also, in a very natural progression.
Mm-hmm. All right.
Yeah, yeah.
All right.
I
Yeah,
am.
I'm
I
sorry. So you were
hope I answer your question,
yes, yes,
because
you have
I forget
definitely.
questions.
Definitely. Sorry, you were explaining how you set up the space, the matrix.
Right. So yeah,
Right.
so the client will basically set up in this informing field those 2 elements, the one representing the client, one representing the mother. There
Mm-hmm.
would be a moment that will happen between there's a dynamics that plays between these 2 elements. Basically, we say elements or representatives of the elements, and it happens so if I am not consciously also guiding it, I mean, sorry, if I'm not being consciously part of it also, I'm being just an observer from outside and seeing the constellation from outside. There is a moment that happens. There are feelings that they get through, they feel, or there are certain bodily sensations or thoughts that they feel of the person that they are representing. And at each round, I will ask them about how they are feeling. First, we will try to identify the entanglement that is there between the family members or the elements.
Mm-hmm.
Entanglements, I would say, in case, as I had given an example, that a son taking place of a father. Now, if a son is taking place of a father, is basically you are behaving like a husband to the mother at times. And
Mm-hmm.
I won't say that this is I have seen it. I have seen it in many families. In fact, I can see a lot of if I have had a lot of personal examples in my uh, family of origin also, how people at times behave, the way they behave, or that is happening with respect to absence of another element who's not there. So yeah,
Mm-hmm.
that's an entanglement. There is where that entanglement needs to be opened up. and that
Mm-hmm.
happens through a dialogue between those two elements, with respect to each of them knowing their place in the family, becoming aware about it. We are acknowledging it. They are also acknowledging their responsibility. There are sentences, you can say healing sentence, or sentences of acknowledgement, or sentences of awareness that are spoken between that. Obviously I facilitate those sentences, that dialogue between these
Mm-hmm.
elements,
Mm-hmm.
and then after that acknowledgement, things start moving within those two elements, and how the relationship changes in that informing field would also, that's how the my client at end, when the, the mother and daughter, when the mother is standing behind the daughter, that's how possibly that's where you see a appropriate relationship, I would say, because your
Okay.
parents are always behind you,
Mm-hmm.
as a hierarchy also, because you are the younger one, they are the elder one, and they are
Mm-hmm.
always before you or above you.
Mm-hmm.
So it there's a natural flow to the process. So yeah, that's how we do. Now I've just given you an example of two elements here. I do not prefer to start any constellation with more than three elements. If needed, I might go for more than three if the constellation requires me to have more than three. If there's a more intense issue, um, then I would go for more elements. If required, later on, they may join in. I may include people from the group setting itself. I can pick up somebody and I can ask them to represent if they're open to it. Um, yeah, so this is how it's, and when I'm taking this information, so just to conclude the process, when I'm taking this information from the representative of my client or the client's mother, I will check with the physical feelings, that physical sensations or emotions that the client is, the representative is feeling, and that's how we'll have a dialogue acknowledgement created, and we'll remove, unentangle the entanglements, basically, you know
Right.
wherein wherein we try to balance the system, in the sense a family here.
Right. Okay.
Yeah.
Perfect. Yep.
अगर मुझे एक, अगर एक नॉर्मल एग्जाम, एज इन, आई जस्ट क्रिएट एन इमेज वेयर, कैसे एक मोबाइल नेटवर्क होता है, सब उसमें
Hmm.
ऐसे ट्रायंगल में उसको विजुलाइज कीजिए, और एक मोबाइल नेटवर्क है, आप भी उसका
Hmm.
पार्ट हो।
Hmm.
फर्ज करो कि आपको वो पार्ट, आप वहां से निकल जाते हो, तो देयर इज अ गैप दैट गेट्स क्रिएटेड।
Hmm. Right.
अब वो गैप फिल करने के लिए दूसरे सारे एलिमेंट्स, कोई भी एक एलिमेंट आ जाएगा उस गैप को फिल करने के लिए, एंड अगेन इट विल
Hmm.
स्टार्ट क्रिएटिंग हार्मनी इन दैट नेटवर्क,
Hmm.
in that circle, in that triangle.
Hmm.
So it's basically about the closeness, about inclusion, family constellation work. So when there is no balance, there are issues,
Right.
and those issues can affect our personal and professional lives.
Right. Right. And Misbah, when so you said that the client will sit outside. The client is not an active participant.
Yes. So after giving, as I said, after giving the interview, after selecting the elements for the constellation, the client is asked to sit at one appropriate place where they can see the entire constellation playing in front of them. They can, it's about the facilitator to check with the client at a given intervals whether they are able to make sense of the things that are happening, in front of them in the constellation,
Hmm.
and that's how the facilitator also understands how to, how the constellation is going, or whether the client is able to resonate things or not resonate, whatever it is,
Okay.
we just name what it is there. It's like, um, जो है वही हम वहां पे बोलेंगे भी.
Right.
Like if I had to just take an example of, like say for example, in the case of this mother and daughter, what I talked about, if they are
Hmm.
set up in a constellation, and the daughter is looking at the mother, but the mother is looking on the other side, so her, say for example, her back is towards the daughter, the mother is looking outside. So now, I'll name that. When I start the constellation, I'll say that you can see that you're the daughter, or I'll name, say, for example, Swati is the client. So I say Swati is looking at her mother. Her mother is looking outside. And that's where I will explore that, what is outside. When you're looking outside, what is it that's missing in the system for the mother. So I will
Hmm.
not go into mother's constellation. ऐसा नहीं, अगर जरूरी है, then I will explore that part of it. Since I'm doing the daughter's constellation, I'll try to see, figure out things or work that is with respect to the daughter,
Right,
right?
right. And observing the entire constellation playing out in front of them is what brings insights to the client. So,
Yes.
how do we
So,
conclude what happens? Yes.
so with constellation, what you can expect, Mamta, is its clarity of your thoughts with current issues that are happening with the client,
Hmm.
insights about yourself, about your family members, about your dynamics between the family members. In fact, in your in your generation, for that matter, जो आपको कभी शायद पता भी
Mm-hmm.
ना हो. So, a
Right.
constellation will give you a resolution. A
Mm-hmm.
constellation can also lead you to another constellation, or it can also lead you to another therapeutic modality that you can integrate it with. So when it can be used as
Okay.
a diagnostic tool, it can also be,
Okay.
it is also a therapeutic tool that
Okay.
basically depends upon the issue and what are the insights that the client gets, because things in a constellation move at a very unconscious level. So
Mm-hmm.
अ, जब मैंने बोला कि आप दूसरी थेरेपी इंटीग्रेट कर सकते हैं, तो आई कैन यूज अनदर थेरेपी लाइक कॉग्निटिव हिप्नोटिक मोडालिटी में यूज कर सकती हूँ कि कॉन्शियसली मुझे पता चल जाएगा। अब जब मुझे क्लैरिटी और इंसाइट्स मिल गई है, तो मैं दूसरी थेरेपी के थ्रू आई ट्राई टू अप्लाई इट, or
Okay.
naturally through those insights and clarity there would be a natural healing or a progression of changes that will happen in my life, and
Right.
I will become
Perfect.
aware about it. I will become aware about
Okay.
it because it
Hmm.
happens with the client. So I definitely, so when I do constellations, I do check with my clients after 10 to 15 days, as in how things have been in their life with respect to that. What any kind of moments or any kind of observations that they have felt with respect to them in their lives. That's how we check it.
Right. Perfect. Perfect. That sounds beautiful. Misbah, a few questions again. Atri is asking, as Misbah ma'am has mentioned, that at times children take the place of parents and parents start behaving like children. How to deal with this situation? I think Misbah has already answered that quite
Actually, you need
clearly.
to do a constellation setup. If okay, masti. I will not say masti, but laughing apart. But you actually need to. If it is if it's a concern, it's a pressing issue. I think you should explore that. First with yourself, and if you feel, then you can look for a family constellator, facilitator, who can help you if you see repetitive patterns or behaviors, or if it's bothering you. So don't see, look it from your terms. अगर आपको bother करना है, तो आपको bother कर रहा है, तो आपका constellation होगा. But अगर बच्चा बोलेगा कि हाँ, I have something, if it's bothering him, so then we'll set up a constellation for the child.
Right. Perfect. Perfect.
Yeah.
Atri is also asking, how are family therapy and family constellation therapy similar and different?
Yeah. Okay. So, as very in a very first sentence, I had mentioned, Atri, that family constellations do have their ancestral roots from family therapy. Now, अब जब फैमिली थेरेपी में क्या होता है कि क्लाइंट होता है और फैमिली मेंबर्स होते हैं, तो हम ये बोलते हैं फैमिली थेरेपी में कि भाई बंदे का इशू नहीं है, ये पूरे फैमिली का इशू है कि जो हो रहा है बंदे की लाइफ में, राइट? तो हम खाली क्लाइंट के साथ काम नहीं करते, हम क्लाइंट के सारे फैमिली मेंबर्स, ईच ऑफ द फैमिली मेंबर्स के साथ में काम करते हैं, टू
Correct.
अंडरस्टैंड एंड टू लेट द थेरेपी वर्क. नाउ this is how your family therapy works. When
Mm-hmm.
you're working with the client as well as the other members of the client personally, one-on-one sessions. With
Mm-hmm.
family constellation, there may be a lot of things which will be happening in my family, and I can understand the dynamics and those hidden dynamics. Although at times you know the known behaviors and patterns also, but it is
Hmm.
something which is your concern at that moment.
Mm-hmm.
So only the client being present is enough, because it is about the client.
Okay.
एंड अगर हमें जरूरत पड़ती है, तो हम एलिमेंट्स जो रिप्रेजेंटेटिव होते हैं फैमिली के, वी डू पुट दोज एलिमेंट्स और रिप्रेजेंटेटिव इन द इन्फॉर्मिंग फील्ड, व्हाट आई कॉल इन द कॉन्स्टलेशन व्हाट इज सेट अप. Say for example, a mother or a father or a husband or children, or say for example, you can also take up so just because you've mentioned about this, I will also say that at times we include lot of people from our lives. So for example, हमारे फैमिली में किसी ने बाहर शादी की होती है, तो जो बाहर से या लड़का है या लड़की आई है, तो वी डोंट गिव हर अ प्लेस वेयर इन यू नो now she, because she's married, she is a part of that system, she is a part of that family, she needs to be acknowledged, and we at times don't do, and that those things create lot of issues. At times we're not aware about
Hmm.
it also. At times हम किसी को I will use the word बेदखल कर देते हैं family में से kind, so you are excluding them. But see, whatever things they might have done in their life, or with respect to the family, or not good as per the society, but we have to acknowledge कि भाई वो है इंसान, so XYZ है, he's a part of this family. Well, whatever the person is, then that can be sorted out later on, or you can do a constellation and bring those inclusive ness in the family, so that the family can function smoothly and effectively. There are no
Perfect.
imbalances that happen. एंड आई
Hmm.
थिंक ये सारी चीजों से आई थिंक हम बहुत सारा रेजोनेट करेंगे, बिकॉज वी डू हैव इन आवर लाइव्स सम और द अदर प्लेसेस वेयर, या तो हमने अपनी फैमिली में देखा होगा या हमने किसी और की फैमिली में देखा होगा, सो वी डू गेट टू नो दैट.
Right. Perfect. I hope that answers your question, Atri. Do let us know. Sanjana is saying you use beautiful questions during your session. How do you do it?
Okay, Sanjana, thank you so much. So yeah, because Sanjana is a part of my organization, she's also a student of HR. She's also been part of many constellations that I have conducted, and she's
Mm-hmm.
uh, represented. Now the questions that we say or speak while the constellation is set up, questions
Mm.
between the elements of the representative. Um,
Mm.
at times, I feel they are very commonsensical questions, I would say, because I
Mm.
just feel keeping the nature as in nature in mind,
Mm.
and I speak those sentences to bring that acknowledgement and that social, I won't say social, but chronological order, or order basically, uh, to make sense in each one's life or each one who's representing there. And yeah, we do have set of questions which we have फ्रेम करके जो हमें रखे हैं कि भाई ये सारे तो हमने बोलने ही है, या ये सारे तो होते ही हैं, यूजुअली हम यूज करते ही हैं when we work with client, whether it's relationship issues or illnesses or mental health care issues or with finances, we use those
Okay.
questions.
Perfect. Thank
और
you,
आधे मैं
Misbah.
अपने से बना लेती हूँ.
Okay. Uh, Misbah, there is a question that two people have, Gayatri and Anjali.
Mhm.
They're both asking if a family member overreacts on small issues and expresses it in terms of anger, in terms of outbursts every time. Can family constellation therapy be effective here?
It Yeah, so Gayatri, it is effective. I would like to understand, is it a pattern or with a specific issue, a behavior with a specific issue?
Mm-hmm.
Does it become too intense? Um, so before you go for a constellation, I would have you tried anything else that could have worked at your level. If it has not, then you can always explore do a constellation about it. Or have you talked it at a cognitive level first? अगर वहां पे भी sense नहीं बन रही है, then you can definitely set up a constellation for that. So I would
Okay.
also like to say, Mamta, that family constellation is, I won't say it works at an unconscious level very much, absolutely. And but you get your insights and your clarity at a conscious level, because मैंने आपको बोला था ना कि वो क्लाइंट तो बाहर बैठ के देख रहा है, तो कॉन्शियसली तो उसको समझ आ रही है कि कैसी चीजें क्या हो रही है, कहाँ जा रहा है, you know. It is also a
Right.
little bit of energy that plays in, energy of the person, representing all the people who are there in the constellation setup. So
Right.
it works there also.
Perfect. Perfect. So Anjali, Gayatri, and Pratya also asked the same question. So I hope uh, we have answered your question. Please let us know, Gayatri, Anjali, and Pratya. Okay, Ms. Ba, Mallika is asking, how is confidentiality maintained? I think, if I'm not wrong, she is referring to, because it is played out in a group. So, how is that?
Uh, Um, so I'll say two things. See, sometimes I feel it's a very phenomenological process when different kind of people form a group, become part of a family constellation workshop, and because all of them somewhere or the other are. I feel not that I have ever faced an issue of integrity ever, because the vulnerability of the person is coming out. uh, we also, while before I starting the session, I do tell them that since it's a closed group, it's a therapeutic work, and it's a very sacred kind of work for me. And the client is opening up about their life to the core, so we would love to respect their confidentiality. And no, in fact, I tell them that no discussion between the breaks also, कि हम ऐसा कर सकते थे कि वैसा कर सकते थे कि कुछ ऐसा. So no discussion between people, not outside also. Just keep it. It's like what happens in Rome stays in Rome, you know
Mm-hmm.
yeah.
Right.
What LA बोलते हैं, I think that's what, something like that. So yeah, you understand that
Right,
analogy
right,
of it. So I
right.
have never faced it. In fact, अगर आपको लगता है कि आपको group, I would love to personally work with groups. I do one-on-one sessions also. So one-on-one
Hmm.
sessions, I will touch upon it since it has come right now. So when I have to do a one-on-one session, तो वहाँ पे तो लोग नहीं होते. It's just the therapist, as in the facilitator and the client. So I can use different things like paper. I have a figurines
Oh,
which is
okay.
specifically meant for constellation. वो से थोड़े toy जैसे लगते हैं. I can later on share it. So I can use those figurines as a representative of different elements in the constellation.
Okay.
And yeah, a one-on-one session can also be done. In fact, in a group, I can also do interview with my client, barring as in accepting, matlab, without the group members knowing it. So I can first have an
Okay.
interview with my client, and then I can set up a constellation. I can also set up a constellation which we call blind, but I'm not going much into that. So
Mm-hmm.
I'll keep that for the later on. Maybe somebody who wants to more explore that can definitely get in touch with me on that. And that's how also it can be done. So there are various ways, and people do understand. At times you are in this kind of work that there are negligible or zero chances of uh, integrity to go out of place.
Okay. Thank you so much. And you said that even if a group is not available, then we can do it with figurines or pieces of paper. So that is not a limitation.
That's not a limitation at all. In
Okay.
fact, I just did two constellation like online, and that was a breakthrough from me also. So otherwise, I am a person who says that I would do one-on-one sessions. But yeah, because my
Wow.
client was quite persistent with me, and she's in Bangalore, so she's like, "No way, I'm not going anywhere. You do it for me."
Okay. Oh, brilliant. Okay. So, Misbah, how long does, a single session or one family constellation would take on an average?
It's upon the. I would say it can take around 25 minutes to 1.5 hour, and I would stick to that much time, not more, no more, not more than that. Uh,
Okay.
on an average, 45 minutes to 1 hour is something that 1.5 hour would go. There are
Mm-hmm.
constellations I have been part of which has gone for more than 2 to 3 hours also. But then those become too intense with their work, because at times जो
Okay.
जो represent कर रहे हैं वो इतने सारे उस जिसको represent करते हैं उसके energies में होते हैं, या I would like to say, I would want to use another word but I'm not getting another word, but I can say
Mm-hmm.
that they are so much into representation of that particular person. There is so much to give out, and the entire constellation is informing field is quite intense. So yeah, at times it does take time, but not always. It can get finished in an hour or so, or 1.5 hour.
Okay, okay. And are there times when a client may need multiple sessions?
So I don't know how other people do it, but usually for one issue, I would do one constellation only, and I will ask the
Okay.
client to be with it for a good amount of time, say around 15-20 days with it, and see how it is going with them. And then and जो भी उनको insights उससे मिलती है, because as I told you earlier, either
Mm-hmm.
you get insights, you get your clarity, it will lead you to another constellation,
Mm-hmm.
uh, or there's a resolution that has happened already. Okay.
Okay. Okay. That's
Resolution in
great.
the sense, when I say resolution, it's about client getting the clarity, the insights about their situation or their problem.
Mm-hmm.
If अगर say for example ज़्यादा time हो जाता है, say for example 2 to 3 months, and if
Mm-hmm.
things have not moved, which rarely happens, I have
Mm-hmm.
not done 2 sessions for one issue as of now with any of my clients.
Okay.
It might have led to another constellation, or maybe do another therapy work along with it.
Hmm.
If you have to, integrate, you can do that. Otherwise, if there's another constellation required, I do another constellation. If I have to give you an example, I was working with my health issue. This was the very first time when I was doing constellation, like 5-6 years back. I started with
Mm-hmm.
my health issue, and the constellation entirely went up to me and my mother. So uh, I was completely, तभी तो I was quite new about it. So I'm like, ये क्या हो गया? Yeah, because it led to something at my me between my mother and my obviously because I know the background of it. My mother has expired quite early in my early years, and we've not had a mother daughter relationship or something. So yeah, it completely kind of made a lot of sense. So yeah, that part of my life has started healing and all that. Healing in the sense, uh, you know, you have included it consciously as a part of your life.
Perfect.
I would.
Okay. All right. That's
I'm sure guys
that's
are making
interesting.
sense, and I'm sure you
Yes, a lot of
understand.
people are saying yes, Misbah. We have a lot of comments where they're saying yes, you made complete sense. You've been able to answer our question. Thank you, and so on.
Because
Okay.
at,
Yeah. Please.
at times I feel as a constellation facilitator, though the modality is quite close to me, it's very difficult to make at times people understand. So I always tell them that ek bar constellation, just be a observer, just be a representative. If you're not setting up your constellation, so you will get an amazing feel and understanding of how things work in our life, with respect to everything, from your relationship to issues, your health, and all the things. Yeah.
Right, right. Perfect. I would like to share something here. I have, been part of constellation. So I've represented elements in other people's constellation, to use the right terminology, Misbah.
Yes, it's
And
important. So मैं यहाँ पे I
yes,
will, Mamta, I'll just pause you. I'm sure you want to, you should
yeah,
continue it.
please,
So
please.
लोग क्या बोलते हैं, कभी बार उनको समझ में नहीं आता, तो उनको समझाना पड़ता है कि जब रिप्रेजेंटेटिव्स बोलते हैं या एलिमेंट्स बोलते हैं, दे आर रिप्रेजेंटिंग द अदर पीपल. सो मुझे ये बोलना पड़ता है कि रोल प्ले, बट इट्स नॉट एक्चुअली अ रोल प्ले. In role
Hmm.
play, you actually tell the person कि तुम किसका role play कर रहे हो and what all things you need to do. Here, when the constellation is set up, that informing field is set up, and the elements are chosen who's representing. The moment they are put into that informing field, they start giving out information like, कि यार इसको मतलब, you get that amazing feeling, and at times you are like stuck also कि ये कैसे पता चल गया उसको, because you're kind of connecting with the person who are representing. Yeah, you can
Exactly.
continue.
Exactly. So I was just sharing with everybody because I have been a representative for other, elements in other people's constellations, and I'm sure the client was able to obtain a lot of insights and awareness. But I, as the representative, was also able to draw a lot of insights, for my life. I don't know how that happens, because at that point of time you're simply like a conduit through which energy is flowing, and you're going through all these physical feelings and emotions, and that happens only for the duration of the constellation. The moment you step out and the person, I don't know what's the technical term, the person, you know what do you say, what do you call it, Misbah? The person de-rolls you. Yes, I
Yeah,
recollect now.
de-rolling
Yeah,
happens
so
once the
yeah, so
constellation is closed.
right. So I think there's something to do at the energy level as well, because when you're
Yes, yes, yes,
playing
absolutely.
that representative, yes. So it just
Hmm.
happens naturally, automatically. And I have also been a client. Uh, I've had a constellation done for me. So both ways, the experience is really interesting. If anyone is really keen, I would, personally recommend that please participate in one, and then you will be able to understand the true value and effectiveness of this therapy. So I just wanted to share that. Okay. Uh, okay, Misbah, a lot of people are saying valuable session. Atri saying, Gayatri saying informative. Thank you, ma'am. Malika is asking, does the representative given some energy to rightly represent the client?
That is the amazing part of constellation, that आपको कोई तैयारी करके नहीं आनी है. You can just walk in, and you just have to be open to whosoever you're representing. Obviously, as a facilitator guidelines I shall give you at that point of time, but there's no pre-preparation that is needed from your end. uh,
Mm-hmm.
you just need to be sane, matlab. So
Okay.
obviously,
Perf-
you just have to come with your consent as a representative also, because we when I do the consultation, I do tell them, if the representatives, that if you're wanting to represent, if you're okay to it, then only do it.
okay.
So it's not कि नहीं तुमने तो करना ही है, अगर मैंने तुमको choose किया है तो you
Right.
have to represent.
Right.
No,
Right. Right.
you come with
And
your will.
the client also picks these people very
Yeah,
intuitively, right, Miss?
very intuitively at times. So if I have been a part of lot of constellation, and जहाँ पे वो एलिमेंट्स पिकअप करने का टाइम आता है, तो मुझे ऐसे कभी कभी बहुत बारी ऐसा हुआ है कि अंदर से ऐसे फीलिंग आ जाती है ना, और अंदर से ऐसा होता है, हाँ ये तो मेरे पास ही आ रही है, एंड यू सी द पर्सन कमिंग टू यू to pick you up for
Right.
the whosoever they want you to represent. So
Right.
it's a very, you know I would, every time I'm stressing on the word phenomenological, phenomenology, or something that is happening in the now, or in a very moment.
Perfect.
And
Yeah.
this process is also all about, in the now, things are how things are happening.
Great. Anjali is saying we definitely get insights for our day-to-day issues with these sessions. Rajeshwari is asking, is it possible to experience it right now a little bit?
Rajeshwari, that would be difficult, because we'll have to set up a constellation, and that would take us nothing less than an hour or so more, because it's a complete
Okay.
process. I would Rajeshwari, recommend that, if you are in Mumbai, so I do conduct it in three cities: Bombay, Delhi, Bangalore, and Pune. So whichever cities I'm doing it, you can just be a representative or an observer, and or I would just say, just go online, watch Bert Hellinger videos, and that would help you to understand. Yeah, I'm
Perfect.
sure that will give you a more of an understanding of the subject.
Thank you. Ms. Ba, are there any issues or cases where you do not recommend a family constellation therapy?
Um, so I won't say so. As I mentioned earlier, the kind of any kind of relationship, illnesses. Yeah, if the client is having a certain psychotic issues, so obviously the client won't be in the mindset to first of all interview me. There can be a lot of challenges. So I would say not to go ahead with this work.
Okay.
you
All
know
right.
uh, in
Mm-hmm.
case of schizophrenia or hallucinations, or I would suggest to use another modalities. Once the person has been completely at homeostasis, if you understand the term, when
Mm-hmm.
they are neutral in their being, you
Mm-hmm.
can go ahead and use the this process.
Okay. Okay. Perfect. Ms. Ba, a lot of comments. Nitin is asking, can constellations be done online? I think Ms. Ba has already answered that question. She just
Yeah,
completed
so
two.
Yeah, so I was so I'll be very this thing about frank about it, that um I was always in a mindset toward the how I like and love the process. I used to say that nahi, in person ही करना है. I will not do it, but I did explore it, and uh, to my good, my client has also given me some positive. Obviously, for her, it's positive. It's working for her. I feel good about it or happy about it that I'm been able to help the person. So yeah, you can. I won't say I would do for more intense issues. I would just choose. So as a constellation facilitator, I do have a choice whether I want to go ahead and do a constellation for a certain person or not, or a certain
Okay.
issue or not.
All right. Misbah, a lot of people asking for constellations in Delhi, Bangalore. Chaya is saying, I would like to be a representative. Can I? Rajeshwari is saying, I'm in Bangalore. Malika is saying, in Bangalore, when you're doing, I would be interested in representing. Atri is saying, I am in Delhi. I would like to be a representative. So, what do you have to say to that?
So, first of all, I'd like to thank you guys that you've shown that kind of interest. So, yes, as this lockdown, settles down, or we are whatever with the new, routine, and say maybe in a month or two, if you're in Bombay, it will come sooner. Um, I'll have a session. And in Delhi and in Bangalore, maybe a month or two, and I'll surely put on the dates, and you can definitely check with us at our office or on our website, or you can get in touch with me. That's it. I'll definitely keep you posted on that. Thank you.
Perfect. Pratyay is saying, मैम एक सेशन फ्रेंड्स रिलेशनशिप इश्यूज पर भी होना चाहिए.
अच्छा, वो सजेशन है तो ठीक है. थैंक्स फॉर द सजेशन. विल टेक दैट इनटू कंसिडरेशन. लेट्स सी हु विल
Right.
स्पीक अबाउट इट.
Right. And Pratyat, episode 17, I believe, was about relationships, where Nitin,
Yes, and
so relationships in general, if you want to understand, then probably you can go to either, you can, check them on the iCharts page where you are watching this video. So if you scroll down, you'll find episode 17. I think June 6th it was done. You can watch that.
six, right, right, right.
6th, right? So day
In
before
fact,
yesterday,
they can go to the IHS website also to understand. I think relationship. We have blogs and articles
videos.
put across in a very depth to understand. And if you have any questions, you can definitely ask us, because Nitin had done it with respect to relationship, but that was more so in the context of romantic relationships.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So Chaya is saying I'm in Mumbai. So I think you have people ready for Mumbai, Bangalore, and Delhi, all three
Yes.
cities. Okay. So I would, in fact, I would recommend, please, stay in touch with the iChar's Facebook page. We keep announcing all the things that are coming up, whether these are workshops or courses for mental health professionals or series and master classes like these, the one that you're watching. So we'll keep announcing them whenever they are happening. Okay, so Misbah, as you said, other we can combine them with other therapies. Would that happen during the constellation or later? So what is the process? How would you combine other
So,
therapies?
I would, so you can have a constellation. So, as I told you earlier, also you can use it as a diagnostic tool also, as you get your
Mm-hmm.
insights and clarity, and then you can use another modality. Say, for example, I can
Right.
use my cognitive hypnotic therapy or
Mm-hmm.
coaching, depending upon what is the kind of goal that I'm looking at. So, I can do it
Mm-hmm.
later on once the constellation is done.
Right. Right. Okay. Where do you conduct workshops in Delhi? Uh,
Mamta.
Sunita, we conduct them generally in South Delhi. So, we were doing them from Scenic Farms. I hope that will remain the venue, but we'll update you about if the venue changes. Vaishali is saying a new door has opened for me in psychology. Good to know that, Vaishali. Nitin is saying, can you share the number where people can connect with you for details about upcoming courses?
Okay. So,
Yeah, we'll
my
do that.
contact details would be Misbah. It is MISBA @
Mm-hmm.
iChas.com. So
Perfect.
ICHRS.com, misbadICHRS.com.
Yes.
And
Yes.
my
And I've,
number you will
hmm,
put, or I'll say.
yeah, please just say it so that I can
It's double
simultaneously.
nine
Yes.
double nine three zero eight
Hmm.
zero eight four
Hmm.
seven three. So you can definitely
Perfect.
get in touch if you have any more specific questions with respect to the modality or with issues. Very welcome to get in touch with me.
Perfect. So you have the mail ID and the number, and you can probably WhatsApp or
Yeah,
write a mail to Ms. Ba about
perfect.
any further queries that you have. We've already overshot our time for the day. I
Yes.
hope I hope we have answered all the questions, all relevant questions, and all questions that people asked during the
Mamta,
live. Any
I
closing notes? Yeah, I was about to say
yeah,
that.
my closing note is my curiosity to know that have people understood or have been able to make sense of the entire modality, because this is my way of spreading the word also about this work that
Mm-hmm.
I'm into, besides my main work that I do with hypnosis and with the other core processes. But with this modality also, I would like to know that they can just put it into the comments that were they able to how resourceful the session was, or what insights they got about understanding the
Mm-hmm.
modality. That's it. That's what I was saying.
Perfect. So Madhavi is saying it's a new concept. Would love to understand further. Uh, okay, perfect. I hope we can have more sessions about family constellation if Misbah is
I'm
up to it.
I'm definitely going to start shorter videos. Hopefully, keep my fingers crossed sooner, and that should help to get more idea about it.
Okay, so that brings us to the end of today's episode. I would like to thank everyone for being such a great audience. And of course, thank you so much, Misbah, for your valuable time and answering all our questions patiently. And we'll see everyone once again tomorrow with our 20th episode. Tomorrow is about the importance of psychiatry in psychology and for psychologists and therapists. Dr. Avinash D'Souza will be here to answer our questions. And so that's all for today. Signing
Thank
out.
you.
Thank
Thank you so much, Mamta. Thank you so much for hosting me. Thank you for being such a lovely person. And yes, I'm also going to see you guys tomorrow again at 4 on the other side.
Perfect. Someone is asking about a session on parenting. Soon, Meenu. Stay tuned.
मीनू पेरेंटिंग का सेशन तो हो गया है.
Okay.
We
So,
are also thinking of having one more. So with the availability of the guest, we'll check that. We'll check that and
okay.
we'll keep you posted. But there was one more
Perfect.
which had happened with Miss Meeta Shah. You can definitely check that on Aicha's YouTube channel. You should be able to get an understanding out of it. And otherwise, you can contact us on one-on-one basis to get to know more.
All right. Thank you so much. Thank you, Ms. Ba,
Thank
once
you,
again.
everybody. Thank you for being such a
Bye
sport.
bye.
Bye.